Hello ladies, so today we are trying this look. I just don't know what this look called. I just scroll my Pinterest and see this look. I already upload that photo on the side. Now first of all I'm using moisturizer primer. Sorry, okay. I really blend it really well. And first step is foundation. Pan stick. I'm using inside pan stick. Now using Mars foundation. As you can see, I layered it 2 layer, and now I am using Blue Heaven foundation as my concealer. You can see I applied it wherever I want it, highlight it even more and blend it with a beauty blender and this thing. I don't know what to say for that. And now next step is I'm using banana powder to set it. Now I'm using my contouring thing, lipstick as my blush and contour wherever I want it. I need a brownish look now, so I just do this. Now I'm using an orange blush as my side of my cheeks. Now contouring my nose using a light shade concealer on my nose, side of my eyebrows, blend it with a beauty blender really well. Okay, so just blabbering something. Now I'm combing my eyebrows. I'm not filling my eyebrows today because I just thought this look need more lighter eyebrows. Now I am using a brownish eyeshadow, then a shimmer shade. Just applying it. You can see I really like the eye look right now. Now I am doing eyeglass. Wait, is it how it's pronounced? I really don't know. Anyway, so I am drawing my eyeliner. You can see it clearly. I just don't know how to say it, but let's do it. I just look at the reference photo and do it the same, but I really don't get the look correctly. But sorry, I just try it. I tried for really. Anyways, you can see I highlighting my eyebrows and under eyes I'm using a brownish eyeshadow as to highlight it even more. Now I'm using a pinkish shade lipstick. I really don't like this lipstick because it doesn't suit me. Now the same shade as a liquid lipstick. Now I am curling my lashes and apply mascara, Blue Heaven mascara. If I tell you, I really like this look even though it's not perfect. Now I am dotting my face like a kind of moles and highlighting my nose, cheeks. I really like to highlight it. So girlies, that's all for today. If you do like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Also don't forget to comment, okay, if you like it or not. Even if you want to give advice to me. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.